cabbage roll. Cabbage roll, winner. That's gonna be your dinner. Yeah. Here's the ingredients you're gonna need. We got ground meat, cabbage, crushed tomatoes, diced onions, rice, Worcestershire sauce, lawry seasoned, pepper, garlic powder, and onion powder. And remember the measurements. Now, we got our rice cooking. I've already put this thing together. Blanched cabbage heads. So what you want to do, just put it in boiling water in a big enough pot for about 10 minutes just to soften up the leaves so we can be able to roll them. So while our rice is cooking, let's just go ahead and take off our cabbage leaves. There we go. Just like that. And be careful because sometimes they'll be under another leaf and you can rip it. And you don't want to rip it too much. You might have to, but you don't want to rip it too much. There we go. Be kind of gentle but firm. Gentle but firm, that's how it goes. Just peel your leaves off. That way you can roll them up. Wow. There we go. So this Worcestershire sauce. Now let's just let this completely get brown. Ground meat is ready. All the way done. So let's go ahead and get it drained. Gets to the fire. Onions in here. And let's get them to cooking down, and we're going to add our drained ground meat back to our onions. Go ahead and get your ground meat back in here. Now, ground meat filling is ready. So now we're going to move on to the next step. Stick around. Stick on the next step. Now let's go ahead and mix it all together. As you can see, our rice is done. Rice in this bowl. We're also going to take 1/3 cup of that can of crushed tomatoes that you saw at the beginning. Let's just keep this in here. We're going to add that with this as well. There's your 1/3 cup. Just give it a mix. Just get everything mixed up. All right, let's allow this to cool for a minute or two, and we'll be back. All right, everything is everything, and we are looking good. Yeah. So let's start to roll cabbage rolls. So let's just get your filling in there. Not too much, you don't want to have it busting open. But just like a burrito, you're going to tuck your ends, you're going to roll, just pull that top out. There we go. Like a little cup. And we're just going to roll. Make sure our ends are tucked in. And bam. There it is. Let's cabbage roll. Let's do that again. Alright. Like put a little bit more in this one. This is a little bigger leaf. Look at your boy making a mess. Look at your boy making a mess. That's alright though. I'm going to clean it. I promise. I'm going to clean it up. Alright. Same thing. Tuck your ends. Bring it down if you need to. Push some of that filling back in. And just roll. Just roll. Like you did that chicken there. Bam. All right, our oven is preheating at 350 and our cabbage rolls are rolled and ready. But before we put them in the oven, we gotta do one more thing. We gotta sauce up that tomato sauce. Yeah, we gotta sauce it up. Put a little more flavor into it. So let's start that. Sauce up this sauce. As you can see, I wasn't paying attention. I already dropped the onion powder in the bowl, so all we're using is onion powder, Worcestershire, black pepper, and garlic. Let's just mix it. Get it all incorporated. And of course, you're gonna taste the lightness. Make sure it's what you want. Make sure you don't need to add anything. As such. There we go. I'm just gonna add a little more black pepper. Oh shit. Well, we saw that. All right, excuse my language, but lesson of the day, always make sure your caps are closed before you start pouring. My bad, family. So we just gonna mix it up. I was able to save this. I was able to pull that black pepper out without getting it mixed in. So there we go. We done fixed our mistake, and now we are ready to sauce up our cabbage rolls already. So just want to make sure don't make a mess there, boy. So just make sure everything is covered up. It's all on there. Yeah, just like that. There we go. Alrighty, in the oven we go. And when we come back, we're gonna have some awesome cabbage rolls, baby. Yeah. In a minute, y'all. Look at that. It's still a little hot. Yeah. Let's see what the insides look like. Let's see. There you go. Like, comment, subscribe if you liking these videos. I have plenty more to come where these come from, so I won't run out. Once again, that boy can cook, out the place, out your face. Till next time.